Hello, everyone. How are you doing? I hope you're having an amazing Saturday. And I decided that I want to take the time to do a video regarding Grubhub. So, side hustle with Grubhub. Okay, I did one on Uber already, and I hope that that video brought a lot of value to you. Made you a little bit more aware of Uber. I think Uber is really a great way for a side hustle, but also Grubhub is. And I wanted to take the time to talk about it in this video. Okay. So what I'm going to do is share my screen, and I just want to take the time. I'm kind of go over all the things that I kind of feel like it's important to know, regarding Grubhub. Okay. So let's share my screen real fast. Right, so here's my screen. Hopefully you can see it. It says Grubhub for drivers. So this is the website that you want to go on. I'm going to look at something real fast, which I should have looked at prior. Let's see here. I don't know if Grubhub, let's see, program level. I don't know if I can give you a link where you can use my link is what I'm looking for right now. Maybe not. I don't know. And I take the time now to look. Maybe not. I will have to. I will have to look later, I guess. Sorry about that. I'll check later. I will check later. All right. I'll look later. Sorry about that. I was trying to see if there's like a link or whatever. I have one with Uber, and I believe I can do one with DoorDash. I thought Grubhub maybe had one, but I guess not. So anyway, what you'll do, you can go here, driver.grubhub.com, and if you want to sign up, it's a great way for to get money, basically, a side hustle way. And you probably will make a lot. Again, it varies by state. So what someone may make in New York, they may someone if you live in Florida, you may make more or less. I hope that makes sense. So it just varies by states on your earnings. And so it's kind of hard to say, but either way, it is a great side hustle for you to do. The requirements, I'm going to get down to all the requirements and things that you should, what will be I guess, what is the word? What would make you a great candidate for this to do Grubhub. So anyway, you only need a few things to get started. You need a car if you have one, or a bike in select areas, but keep in mind in select areas. You will need a valid driver license and auto insurance for drivers, a valid state ID or driver license for bike riders, and a smartphone. Those are the requirements to make you a good candidate. All drivers must also be at least 19 years of age, but no previous delivery experience is required. So keep that in mind. You don't have to be an expert on doing deliveries. It's gonna be your very first time, okay? And just get started, okay? Apply to drive. This is where you'll hit to apply to drive when you get ready. So it says set your hours, deliver, and get paid. Okay, with Grubhub, it's easy to earn competitive pay, keep 100% of your tips, and create your own flexible schedule. So keep in mind, you can get tipped. Okay. Also, you pretty much, when you start doing deliveries, you pretty much try to work towards getting a tip by making sure you follow the instructions that the customer have left for you. So sometimes there are going to be messages where the customer saying, leave at my front door. And as long as that you do that, the instructions might say also, please do not ring the doorbell, please do not knock. So when they leave messages like that, please do not knock anyway, do not ring the doorbell anyway. You do as what the customer had said for you to do. That would definitely hurt you as far as tips go if you do the opposite of what was stated. Okay, so try to keep all that in mind. Make sure that you follow the instructions, follow the message, and you should be good to go. It's really, really easy and simple. Okay, it's really simple and easy. Okay. Sorry about the phone calls. It says gear up, get card. You can get blah, blah, blah. I re-say that. You'll get a card decals, warming bags, and more from Grubhub, or use your own. So they will provide you the warmer bag and different things like that. Okay, with Grubhub. That's what one of the things I like about Grubhub. It says sign up, submit your application, driver license, and insurance. Get ready. SS optional onboarding covering topics like the app, scheduling, pick up orders, and more. Pick hours, make your own schedule, and hit the road. So there'll be like block hours that you'll have to you don't have to, but Grubhub will like for you to do that. Schedule blocks, schedule time frame, almost like a sign-in sheet or a just like when you clock in at work or whatever. So it's like that. So timesheet. I couldn't get that word out for some reason. So just it's kind of like that. You just set your hours and go. Okay. Got more questions? Here are some answers to frequently asked questions. This is apply to drive, and then here at the bottom. If you have Chase, you can get paid with when you want with Grubhub Instant Cash Out. We have collaborated with Chase to bring Grubhub Instant Cash Out to the Grubhub for drivers app. Connect a Chase checking account to get your money in moments with no instant cash out fees, or use another bank for a small 50-cent fee per transaction. Okay, so keep all that in mind. And that's it, babe. Or I said that's it, babes. I don't know what I was thinking of. I think I talk to my kids so much to the point where I'm talking to y'all like y'all kids. But that's it, everyone, on that part. Let's see here. Driver stories. Hey, yeah, just take at your own time frame. You can check the site out. Like I said, it's driver.grubhub.com. I am gonna go ahead and stop screen share my screen with you on my phone, and then I'm going to end the video. Let's see here. Share screen. Real fast. Oh no. Oh yeah. I think. All right. I think I clicked the right thing. I hope so. All right. Let's see here. Hopefully you see it. So here's my folder where it says make money. Go to Grubhub. So that's kind of how your app will look like. These are this is where your earnings will be at. So there's you have a COVID-19 scheduling task. Oops, sorry. Earnings, program level, account. So this is pretty much how the app will look like. But what I want to show you is this part where it says, want to know where to start? Check out your hotspots now. So you will go here, and I'm gonna zoom in real fast. So here is when you looking at your hotspots, and you can scroll by pinching your screen on your smartphone. This little red area here would be considered as a hotspot. So that will tell you that might be the area you might want to hang out at, and wait until you get a delivery. So that's kind of how that will work for everyone that's like, okay, how would I get orders? Usually the app will send a message, it'll make a sound, like a ding ding sound, like that will let you know that you have a delivery. You can accept it or not accept it. Is just really up to you. But it can go against you if you always, declining orders. So you might want to keep that in mind too. Some people say that they only accept certain amount, or they only accept based off of the amount that is stated. But that can also eventually go against you. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, that's really it. So, but that's how it looks on the map. I just wanted to show y'all. You can, like I said, pinch your screen. You can kind of zoom in, and you can see your the red areas here. Like I said, would be the areas that would tell you that's the area to hang out at and wait for your deliveries. Okay, but yeah, I'm gonna stop screen share. I just wanted to do that because, again, I'm always trying to find ways of how to help everyone out. If you're trying to make money, this is one of the best ways to make money is doing Grubhub. Okay. And it's legit. It works, and you will see results. Okay. You do it at your own time, like I said. So you pick the time that you want to go out there and do deliveries. Okay. To just keep in mind, be respectful. Um, you know, um, be courteous to the restaurant the establishment you go into to pick up these orders, as well as be respectful to the customer where you dropping their orders off at their home or at their job site, because sometimes you're going to have to drop orders off at the job site. So just be respectful of remain respectful. Okay. But it is definitely a good way. Okay. And for the ones that have and do this, please let me know down in the comments if this was helpful in any way. I hope it is. Grubhub, you can make, well, in my area, I can't really speak for any other area. In my area, the lowest that I had received to doing a delivery is about, I want to say $4, and that's just being honest. It had went up as high as $10. But it varies. Like I said, it really, really varies. And be honest, like I said, when I stated in my previous video with the Uber side hustle, I said Uber pays more, and that's true for Oklahoma. Uber pays more. Okay, I can't speak for other areas, other states. I mean, it might be different. It might be like, might be the opposite. It might be Grubhub that pays more. It might be DoorDash that pays more. So I can't really say, but I just know for Oklahoma, in my personal experience, from what I've seen, Uber does pay more. Okay. But Grubhub you still receive money, you still get it, and it works, and you would get a card that will allow you to like also pay like you might get deliveries where a customer have not paid for that order yet, so you will place the order for the customer, and you will pay it on the card that you will receive. You'll get that card right along with your warmer bag and right along with your mask. So just keep that in mind. So you'll get orders like that. Okay, so don't be too alarmed or too worried that you'll mess up. The app, it'll walk you through what you need to do. It'll tell you that, okay, you need to place this order, and it'll tell you need to pay with your Grubhub card, and you just do this as such. Now, as far as your earnings go and how you get paid, you can set up your bank account, set up your bank account information within the app to get paid, and the money will get direct deposited to your bank account of what you selected or which bank you chose to do that on. Okay. They don't have a Grubhub earning card or direct deposit card where you could deposit money into your Grubhub card. They don't have that. Uber does, and even DoorDash does, but Grubhub does not. From what my understanding, I didn't get that offer. So I think it's just that you would just have to have a bank account, hopefully, and the money can get direct deposit into that particular bank. Now, if you don't have a bank at all, please let me know. I do have some recommendations of banks that you can use. Okay, but just let me know, and I'll try to be helpful on that end if you don't have one. But usually, everyone now these days have a bank. So, but yeah, so that's all you really got to do. You just have to go to your you just not to go to your bank. You gotta just provide your bank information in the app, and that's how you would get your earnings. Okay, so it's just really that easy. Okay, and I think they even have it where you can do like cash out, where you can. No, I don't know if they had that. Let me slow my roll. I don't know if they have it. I know Uber has it, and DoorDash has it, but I don't think Grubhub has it. I think you really do have to wait Well, I just read to you about Chase. I think if you would, well, I don't know. You know what? Let's just look. Let me look. So I don't want to provide wrong information. Let's see. Earnings. Oh yeah. So it says cash out. So you can cash out. Okay, so you can cash out the same day, just gonna be a 50 cents transaction fee if it's not Chase. If you use Chase, then you're good to go. There won't be any transaction fees whatsoever. You'll get your money that should be the exact amount that was cashed out into your Chase account. Now, if you have another bank, that's different. And there would be a 50-cent fee, but it's not that bad. And so yeah, so you are at liberty to cash out and get your money the same day. So that is good. Okay. But you just have to use your whatever bank account that you provided. That's where the money will get put at, if that makes sense. So that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and end it on this note. I hope this was helpful. I hope it doesn't feel like I was rushing. But if you have questions, please let me know. I try to answer all questions. But yeah, this video was to help you out, to let you know that you can make money on Grubhub. Okay, so I'm gonna end it. Have a blessed day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.